Don't come for me. I'm just saying what I see. I'm just... Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Trailing Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, it is officially summer and we are in vacation mode, so we are in protective style season. So today I'm going to share with you some of my favorite protective styles. I'm going to be identifying 5 that I just love, that I've already tried or will be trying, that will help preserve my hair throughout the season. Now, I love a great protective style because sometimes I just want to break from styling my hair. Not only are protective styles easy to maintain, helps you preserve your ends, it assists in lift retention, which we love because we want our lift, baby. We want our inches to grow. Also helps prevent damage. I'm going to be sharing some protective styles that I just love, okay? Some that I've tried or some that I plan on trying for this season. If you haven't heard, boho braids, okay? If you have not seen the trend of boho braids, you have been living under a rock. Now, with boho braids, you have the option to either do it with your natural hair or you can add hair. Both options are very versatile and they give off that beautiful look that we love, especially for vacation. It gives that beach feel and great vacation vibe hair. Just get up and go. I love this style because it's very versatile. You can wear it short, you can wear it long, however you need to do it. You can wear it with your natural hair or you can add hair to it. Just a little thing to note, if you are using your natural hair or you plan to braid your hair and you're doing the boho style, it's important to keep your hair that's exposed or that's out, or the curly parts of the hair, keep it moisturized, okay? We want to keep those tresses protected, so keeping that hair moisturized is very important. Now, if you opt for the style where you want to add the hair, there are options out here for you, sis, okay? You can do synthetic, there's also human. Now, here's what I've heard. I haven't done it, but here's what I heard, and I'm going to share what I heard. With this boho style, whether it's human or synthetic, it does tangle. Okay, if you care about that, this might not be your best style, but I guarantee once you try it, you're gonna love it. Next up, we have the Fulani braids. Now, the Fulani braids was really on trend about a year or so ago, and I wanted to try them so bad, but at the time, I just didn't. So, baby, I did it this year, and I love the Fulani braid option. It's almost like the best of both worlds. You're getting a little bit of curl in hair as well as the braids. One thing I love about the Fulani braids is that you can get really creative with the braid style at the front or at the crown of the hair. Whatever your heart's desire on how you want those braids to be styled, I say go for it. And there are options with the hair that you choose to have in the back of the style. For me, I opted a weave option, a sew-in weave. There's options. You could do a sew-in, you could do crochet. There's so many that you can do to achieve this style. I love this style because it's so versatile and it still gives you that boho and kind of beach wave and vacation vibe. With this Fulani style, I encourage you to go ahead and get creative with the braid styles in the front. It is summertime. We playing around with the hairstyles that we love. So with this one, get creative. So definitely try out the Fulani braid style. Next up, of course, we have the knotless braids. Listen, the knotless braids is like, I should have mentioned this one first, but the knotless braids is just, listen, I am loving all of the various styles of the knotless braids. I have not tried this style yet, but it is on my list to try. I love the knotless braids because there are so many variations of lengths, styles, part styles, colors that you can play around with the knotless braids. It's effortless. It is great for vacation. As a matter of fact, all of these styles are great for vacation, but the knotless braids, it's endless. Actually, go with the option of styling the knotless braids. There's endless styles that you can try with the braids. Since the braids are individually braided, you can pull them up, you can pull them down, you can wear it to the side. Baby, the options are endless. Knotless braids seems to be the fan favorite, okay? I'm definitely going to be putting the knotless braids on my next protective style list to try. Now this one might be a little controversial, but I'm just going to say it, okay? Sis, get the sew-in. Get the traditional weave sew-in, okay? The traditional weave sew-in is still a great protective style. Whether you have a little bit of your hair out in the front or a little bit at the nape of the neck so you can get that natural look, it is still a vibe, honey, okay? Because I'm going to tell you something. It's hot outside and the wigs is not going to work. I'm sorry, sis. The wig is not going to work. And the baby hairs that's paired with those wigs will not withstand that heat. So I'm just saying, look, don't come for me. I'm just saying what I see. The wigs for this season, no. Go ahead, sis, and get that traditional weave in, honey. Your scalp will be able to breathe and you will have versatility with so many styles. You can get straight hair, curly hair, wavy hair, short hair. I don't care. But I'm telling you and I am encouraging you to bring that traditional sew and weave back. Come on, come on, come on. I'm just taking it back. I'm taking it all the way back, and I want you to do the same, sis. The traditional weaves. You can't lose with that one. Also a favorite too, okay? Let's talk about the faux locks. Baby, I'm trying it myself, okay? The faux locks is the look without the commitment. If you have commitment issues with your hair and you want to try out the lock style, faux locks is your best friend. There are so many variations on how you can achieve this style. You can install them individually. You can do a crochet style, which I have here. This is actually a crochet style. Baby, trying the faux lock, you got to do it. There's so many. You can do it short. You can do it long. Of course, you can add in a little color for a little razzmatazz or jazz. Whatever. Okay, sis? Do the faux locks. You won't regret it. I'm not regretting this. I'm already loving this. I had this in my hair for some time. And I think I'm going to do a reinstall because I just love them that much. If you want to get that lock look and you just don't want to commit or wait, go with the faux locks. You'll love it. And I cannot mention protective styles without this honorable mention. Mini twist. Baby, it's mini twist season. All right? And I need to get with it. I have not tried the mini twist style because I know it will take a full day. So I'm just going to Netflix and chill and twist my hair. But I am so ready to try this style. I love the mini twist. Just like the knotless braids, they have the versatility because there's individual sections of the hair and you can wear it in so many styles, as well as it is just protecting your ends. Now you can achieve this with your own hair, or if you want to add it length, you can add hair to it. The options are endless. Mini twist right now is ruling our natural hair community. I'm not even gonna hold you, sis. I'm not gonna hold you. And if you're in a season where you're trying to grow your hair, the mini twist is the style to go with. This style you can do so many things with. And with most of these protective styles, you can still wash your hair. But with the mini twist, you definitely can. And you can maintain them so that your hair can grow. Alright guys, that is it for now. Comment down below letting me know, have you tried any of these protective styles? Let me know which are your favorites, okay? Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ciao.